So when it comes to creating dollar account, I think we want to create this account called Card Remit. Over time, I've talked about different platforms you can receive money with. You can see me. I've talked about Gray. I've talked about, you can see on my channel, if you search create Gray account, you should see this video here saying how to create a verified Gray account. We have the other one of called GeekPay. Yes, I'm going to put it on the screen. We have GeekPay, we have Clever, we have Geekbank. They are all on my channel. And if you think this channel is of use, I want you to subscribe to this channel so that you get notified. Now back to this platform we have on screen, which is called CadRemit. I think this platform have their app. Sometimes the app is the best option from you. The reason why the app is best is you want to see what people are saying, the review, the star rating they are giving this card. So overall star rating, we have to scroll down to see that by just moving down like this. You can see the overall star rating, paid and unpaid, genuine one, it's what 4.8. You can see overword 5.0. That means this is a excellent app, people are saying. So let's see what people are saying based on the rating here. 5-star, 4-star, they have 1-star. So we're going to click on just 1-star and see what people are saying on the what. Okay, we have that of 4-star. Now we can just scroll up here and see the 1-star. What is the bad side? But people always complain. Like, what's the point of having a Canadian dollar account over here and my client and customers can't pay me? Okay, everyone is angry, but I think you read further on your own. Let's just proceed. There's always a bad review in one way. So we're going to install this app, which won't take time. But why this app keep on installing, we want to go back to this place and see if we can do the stuff from here. Yes, so let's see how the platform is, because sometimes you only just have the website and they force you to install. You can see from here. Let me click on this icon here. If we see anything like create account, so I'm going to click on that. All right, you can see there is no option to create what account in this place. All we have in this place is called download. So that is why you download the app. I think the app should be downloaded. In case you're not downloading, I think you will need space on your phone to do that. So just put space on your phone. This is for Android users. I don't know if there is iOS version, which is for the iPhones. If there is, you can search on that. But if you don't have if there is no iOS support, all you have to do is borrow your friend's phone, an Android phone, create this account, then log into your iPhone when you are verified. It's so simple. Yes, you can locate. The question now is, how do I now log in? Because you need the app. All right, I think you can contact the support one way or the other, and you are good to go. I believe if you're just watching this video, you want to check through my channel and see why you should have more than one platform like Gray. You want to have like Clever. You want to have like Geekbank. I don't use Pioneer because their charges are very, very high. The best one to use on most time is the one that have a better rate. Yes, that I mean rate on deposit and transaction. So you can just check around and see which one is better. I am not affiliated with anyone, so I can't give my vet on this. I think you do best by doing that. So what I want to do is to open this particular stuff here, this particular app. Then definitely is going to open, and we want to see the options. It's for many countries. I do on research and know how many countries this support. This is the first time I'm opening this app on my phone, so I think it's taking some time to just see what's going on. So we have that KTOS is lagging. Yes, all you want to do is just close the app and reopen it. And again, you need a strong network. In case it's not opening, you need a very strong network. But I think it's going to open very, very soon. So yes, you can see we have that in this place. So next we want to do is to click on log in or open an account. I think we should open an account. So the first name, yeah, the last name, the email address, your password, minimum one uppercase. Yes, so let's get in. So what is your first name? That's the name you answer. I'll be using the details I have here is what I'll be using. I'll just be using this. Then your last name. Most time it's very advisable you put your middle name in case you having that on your means of verification, the ID card you'll be using. So over here I'm going to put in the email of your choice, the one you want to verify. Then at this place you're going to type the password password yourself. Yes, remember you can always change password anytime, any day. So your password can be like this. I'm trying to give you a format: an uppercase, something like an alphabet, then a case, then a special character can be in case they are rejecting, and should be up to at least eight. Yes, in case you can see mine is more than eight, having all these options in that place. So now I'm going to click on sign in. So I'm going to click on sign in. So the next one to do is just wait for the options to verify it. I think they will take us to mail and all this kind of stuff. So now, okay, now you can see we have CAD. Want to send notification? Let me just allow the notification because it might be very, very important in one way or the other. So now, I think there's a lot of features here. We have the Canada. We have the Nigeria, which is converting your money from this to this one. There are other options that come. It's these available options from here, which is listed down here. You can see we have that. We have the euro and we have the USD. This is enough to do your business successfully. So what are we going to do now is to start with this option here, which is called verify account and set pin. So I'm going to click on that. You can see we have transaction pin. We have three first option, second option, third option, and the fourth option. So all these are going to pass through four phases and we are good to go. This transaction pin is very important, just like a 4-digit pin and some kind of stuff. Let's click on it and see. It said enter a 4-digit pin. So I'm going to pause the video and put my pin. So now when you put the first one, you'll be told to confirm it. So you're going to click on create pin, and I think that should be done very, very, very fast. Very, very fast. So it's trying to create a pin, and the next option you can see we have a successful notification. Now is to verify our email. Now one-time password have been sent to your email address. Just refresh, check your promotion, check your spam folder. Definitely you're going to see that it shouldn't be. You can see they gave a suggestion here. They said new, not in the box, check spam folder, check promotions, refresh, check all mails and all. This is how it looks. Verify your email. We'll send this one-time password, which is expire so fast. You can see from me they say if you did not create account or some kind of stuff, you can contact these people with the option here called contact at cadremit.com. You can contact them. And if you are not seeing yours, all you want to do is click on all inbox. Yes, click on all inbox. You want to check your spam folder, you want to check your promotions, you want to check primary. Ensure you sign in with the email. Yes, this is the mail that you use to create your CadRemit so that you can see the message. Then if you've done that, that should be easy. Now, I think I've copied the code somewhere, somehow, I don't know, but I want to paste it and see if I can paste it. Okay, you can see paste. That is what, so I'm going to click on verify my OTP. Now this won't take time. I think I've gotten a notification. Okay, this is from someone else. Okay, so from here the OTP is going to take time, and they're trying to check everything, validating, making sure it's correct. Now we don't successfully done the first two phases. Now next one is verify identity. Now the identity, now it's the financial information. How much do you expect to transact card equivalent? Trying to tell you how much. You want to say, okay, $0 to $5,000. What's your occupation? You can want to come here and say, I want to search for content creator and see if there's option for that. I'm going to click on content. No options there. I'm going to put publish because I'm a publisher on Amazon KDP. That's where I make my money. So I'm going to click on publish, but no options. I'm going to move down, look for something like IT, information and technology. So we're going to scroll down faster. Anyone that suits you, you can pick that if you think that's beautiful for you. But I want to see if something like coach. I've seen something like coaching. Yeah, I don't know. Okay, we have coaches and scouts. Okay, no. So computer, I see something like computer. Yeah, COM. All right, let me go back to the computer support specialist, programmer, occupation. Let me just scroll down and see if I'll see anything like IT, because I think that's best to describe this. If you're a graphic designer, you can pick, but I just want something. Information record, DEX, industrial information security specialist, and record. Okay, let me just put that information. So address information, which country? Definitely you want to pick your country. Now you want to enter the address where you stay, number 5 Badagry Expressway, the local government, then the state. Let's say Nule is your local government. Then your state can be Abuja or Lagos State. You just type everything in there. So now I've done that, but sometimes you want to use the address on your utility bill if you have one, in case they start doing address verification and all kind of stuff. Yes, the address on your utility bill, you might want to try that if you have, or address on your bank statement in case they want to do proof of address, they want to verify some stuff. So I just used the wisdom to use the address from my utility bill. So if I'm over 18, now I'm going to click on begin verification. Now this phase involves you coming up with your passport or whatever you're using. Let's see the options. Okay, which country it's your government ID from? Nigeria, if you're Ghana, if you're Uganda, if you're Cameroonian, or whatever the name. Beautiful. Now over here we have the national ID, we have travel passport. So we're going to be using the most common one, which is this. But if you have these options, beautiful. Any of these one, beautiful. So I'm going to just move this with no driving license. I'm going to go one step backward. So I'm going to just say why using this app though. So I'm going to click on NIN. Now it's a place the front of ID in the frame. I think the problem now with this is they want plastic. It should be a plastic ID. This is what we want. So what you want to do is go to any of the cyber cafe. They show you a plastic ID so that you can have one. But if you have that, so because of that, I'm using my driving, my international passport for this immediately and snap it over. So now, there's something I want you to know. It's they want it to be live. So you are not the one to capture it. Just raise your camera on top of it, and it's going to do this the scanning itself. Then when it's good, it's going to click capture. There's no option here to upload, so you mean you have to snap live. So anyone that's going to do this for you, whether your friend, tell the person what is much needed. So trying to process everything, and when we're good to go, I think it's going to take me to the next phase. Make sure you are the one and some kind of stuff. So they want to get my face on the camera, and I'm going to do that immediately and click on continue. So now they've asked for my selfie and some kind of stuff. Now what they told me, it's okay, I got a notification, maybe it has been approved. They said I should put my face in a circle. I did that. They said move to the left and move to the right. Definitely I'm not a robot. I did that, and I think I've got a notification from me. And I said, okay, you can see from here verification was very, 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 very successful. Very, very successful. So now I'm going to click on done because it was successful. If it was rejected, definitely I'll get that. That means this has been successful. I use my international passport. You can get your voters, you can get your NIN printed very clear. Anyone who is doing the plastic for you should do that. Now I'm going to put in my phone number, which is the next option we have here. So I'm going to click on phone number. Then your Nigeria phone number, I'm going to type that. Yes. So now, you see, this is a live practical video. Everything has been successfully verified. They send OTP to that phone number. Within 2 minutes, I was told to do that, and I'm good to go. So now I'm trying, no option to reload. That means I'll be using this available button here. So click on that. I think that's the best you want to do. One step backward. And next we want to do is click on this and see if we can request. Let's see, loading chart and some kind of stuff, and see if they can give us anything here. Let's click on deposit and see if they will give us any naira. Okay, additional information. We require you to create your Nigeria account. Look at what they asked for. Enter your national NIN number, your bank verification number. Definitely I'm going to put that immediately. So now what I did was to just put in my BVN and put my NIN, and it's under review. I'm telling you, if they reject anything, just contact support. Tell them this is my name, this is how it is on my ID. In case they reject anything, you shouldn't be scared. Just try, put that in order. Next thing we want to do now is to move on to the next phase, which is called the USD. Now we're going to click on deposit. Same process. Let's see what they will ask for, what is needed for they to give us our stuff. So look at what they support, and let's click on continue and see. Okay, what will be a primary purpose for the USD? Definitely I want to use the word, I don't like using to receive money from employer. I want to make this process very fast. I want to say to receive money from, if you choose this, they're going to ask too much question. Let me just click family and friend. How much do you expect to receive on monthly basis? Let me just say 10,000 today. I'm going to click on continue. You can see, but you can follow other options. I don't want it to ask me too much question, and we're good to go. The same account is what it will give you when the money comes. Your family can be your worker, your working place, your employer, and all stuff. So now everything is under review. I think the next option is to just do the rest very, very fast, which is this, to click on deposit. And when you click on deposit, definitely they will ask you the same question. But this time, let's just see what will happen when we choose something different. Let's see. Okay, let's see freelance. You can see now from what platform do you expect to receive this? How much do you expect? Proof of fund. This is what I'm trying to just bypass. I don't like this process. I can provide proof of fund, not that I can't provide that. It's very, very easy. I have a lot of proof of fund. I work with Amazon. So here you come here, start asking you questions, order. Then you're going to say how much do you expect monthly basis. So I don't want to just do that. I want to just use what we have here. Receive money from employer. What's your current job? What's your employer name? Let's just say, okay, publisher. I'm a publisher. I want to write independent. If you're a TikTok, you put your it seems I've gotten a notification already. Independent publisher. So okay, I'm trying to see if it was successful, but no message yet. So independent publisher, that's what I am sorry. So what is your employer name? I want to just put Amazon. Then how much do you expect on a monthly base? Normal, I want to put something very, very high. I'm going to click on continue. I've gotten a notification already. If it was accepted or rejected, now you can see we're clicking on request. You can see the two way I'm doing it to avoid sending proof of fund. I would have tell you come and collect proof of fund on my DM, but I'm trying to make it easier for you. Can see your virtual account is ready and all beautiful stuff. This is good. This is very, very beautiful. So I'm going to go one step backward. Then the final one here is the CAD, which I think we have to just complete, and this video should be done and dusted. I believe the whole process is easy. One of the challenge I think you have is your ID verification. Go and do your plastic one. If you have what I have here, you can use a driver license. So receive money from account. Okay, how much do you expect? I'm going to put this. But I will not be using this, but it's just good to be informed than never. So my name is Austin, the voice behind this video. Don't forget. So from here we have that. I can share this detail with my friend, and they will send me money. Definitely I will receive money. So let's just go to USD and see if they've given us. This one is under review. It's taking time. Let's come to USD. Yeah. So here now we want to see something. Let's click on deposit. You can see I have my account. You can send money to this account. You are free. I can use it on any platform. You can view the address. You can see my address and all that stuff that was given. All right, so euro is under review. I think let's see, it has not been approved. All right, so you can see all these we approved. With no time, I will have everything ready. You can see the notification from here. Play around the app, go around, ensure you put your password very, very well. Save your stuff. Contact them if you need help. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Send this to people that need to get a US account, a Euro account, a Canadian account, a Nigeria account, all in one place. CadRemit has come to save us. And you can try out videos on my channel, which is GigPay, which is Gray, which is Clever, which is GigBank. You can go around. So thank you for watching. I'll see you on other of my videos.